So this is the last part of making our Flappy Bird game. We already have the code to make the pipes get generated and to make the butterfly flap. We have code that makes the butterfly change its costumes so that when you press the space bar it looks like it's flapping. And like you just saw here, we have code that stops the program if the butterfly touches either one of the pipes or the top or the bottom. The last part is we could add a score so you guys could actually compete against each other. So to do that, come over here and click on the variables. And we want to add a new variable called score. So you can name it here for all actors. And when we click OK, if you scroll to the bottom, you see that score is now one of these variables. So to keep track of score is really easy. And first, you see there's a little box next to score. I want you to click that. And now you see that score appears here on your screen. So right now it's just set to 0, which is fine. And actually what we want to do is whenever we start a new program, we want to set not just the speed to 0, but we also want to reset score to be 0 too. So change that in this part of your code for the butterfly or whatever your actor is. So now we want to add a new button that basically keeps track of how much time we can keep our actor flying in the air. The easiest way to do this is, again, click on this block of code here. Or actually, let's just add it from scratch. So we're going to add an event when not the up arrow, but when the return is pressed, which is our start button basically. We want to forever change score by 1, and every second we want to add 1 to score. So the way we do this is we could pull a forever block and put it into here, and a wait 1 second block and put that inside the forever block. This is all within the flow tab. Then we can click on the variables again. Down here there is set blank to 0. We're going to pull this piece out and put it in here. We want to set score to be equal to score plus 1 every single second. So, oh, and actually, you know what? I messed up the order. We should wait 1 second. There we go, like this. So now the last part is we're going to click on the operator tab. There's a plus sign here, so we're going to use that one. And we just put that into this end here. And that way we can set score to score plus 1. Type in a 1. And now we should be totally done. So if you click on the start button, you won't start the game until you press the enter key. So I'm going to press that now. Now you see it. See how the score is increasing by 1 every second? So you guys can then, once you code this up, you could compete against each other and see who could get the largest score. So right now I've said in the air for 10 seconds, 11 seconds, up to 15. Still flying. Oops, I think, oh, I hit the bottom. I got close. So I was only able to stay in the air for 20 seconds, which is okay. So do your best. Make sure to click up here and save your work. And now you have a full Flappy Bird tutorial game. Hopefully you guys enjoyed making this, and I'm sure you're going to be able to take the skills from this and make even cooler video games on your own. So take care, and I'll talk to you guys next time.